Have you ever wondered why the ocean tastes salty? Rivers and lakes aren't salty, but oceans are.
Today, let's join Aqua and dive deep into this watery mystery. Ready? Let's go.
When rain falls, it isn't just water. Rain is slightly acidic.
So when rain hits rocks, it slowly breaks them down. This process is called weathering. Tiny mineral particles, including salts, break away from the rocks. These tiny salts get carried by rivers all the way into the ocean. Why don't rivers taste salty? You might think, if rivers carry salt, why aren't rivers salty? That's because rivers flow quickly and hold a lot of fresh water. The amount of salt is tiny, so tiny you can barely taste it. But when all those rivers pour into the ocean, the salt begins to add up, for millions of years. The magic of evaporation. Here's the secret. The sun heats ocean water, and the water evaporates into the sky. But salt is too heavy to rise. So fresh water goes up, and salt stays behind. This makes the ocean saltier and saltier over time. How salty is the ocean? If you take 1 liter of ocean water, that's one big bottle, you'll find about 35 grams of salt inside. That's about 6 teaspoons of salt. Imagine drinking that, yikes. Different seas, different salt levels. Some seas are even saltier. The Dead Sea is so salty you can float without trying. But some oceans, like the Arctic, are less salty because melting ice adds fresh water. So salinity changes depending on location, temperature, and water flow. Why salt is important for ocean life? Ocean salt isn't just taste, it's important. Salt helps keep the water balanced for fish and marine life. It controls density, temperature, and movement of water currents. Without salt, ocean life wouldn't survive the same way. So now you know the mystery. Oceans are salty because rivers bring minerals, and evaporation leaves the salt behind. If you enjoyed learning with Aqua, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.